It's a video. Oh no, I think I just ended it. Oh no.
What did you say?
Our last day in Espanol. Say bye.
Bye.
To Spanish.
Adios.
Adios.
I can never text in class.
I kind of miss this class. Oh, I hit camera.
Like, what if that would really happen? Like,
I won't miss this class. This class is stupid. I hate everybody in it.
never know.
I know, but I don't get to take my anger out on people.
Well, don't you have Dan in the other class? Just beat him up in the hallway one day. He didn't even do anything. Just, I'm gonna beat you. Beat you with a hammer.
Yes, I do.
Jessie. Yeah. She's in our class.
Person. One in there? Give me it. Why does she have food in her bag?
For my club at middle class and
Your camera's really cool looking. It's all green and stuff. Are you taking a video?
Yeah.
Oh.
How funny would it be if he just came up to you, said something, and then you freaked out on the camera?
making me mad.
I would love that. I want food. That's going on YouTube.
I like right in
It's okay, because I don't think anyone watches it.
And this one might go on Facebook.
My dad's gonna know. Am I on this? Am I? What is this?
This is a video. I didn't videotape you. I don't think. YouTube weren't really doing anything.
It's like an awesome northeast. It's like great.
Say something.
Shoes are like $50.
I like that. I'm sleeping. I'm sleeping. I'm so confused.
Do you want to be in it? Or no?
I don't understand.
Okay, I'd kill him if he touched my bag.
You should put your bag over here, next to mine.
Did you take your phone? Yeah, it's up there. It's up there. Where? Let me see it. It's up there.
Oh, I see it.
I get it for you. I get it for you. I get it for you. Really?
You better know better.
I'm not mad stupid. I'm just playing with you. It's not. Can I take this to me? Sure. I won't. I'll give it to you. I know. I didn't even notice.
Wait, is this on video?
I made sure of it.
I'm having an adrenaline rush.
Me too, I love that. Don't you love how that feels?
Are you still recording?
Because I'm ready. Yeah.
They just said recording.
That looked so creepy. Because your head was cut off a little bit, not all the way, and you were just like.
I was like, what's going on? What are you doing?
Gonna go on. None of the video. I haven't uploaded any of the videos yet, but I'm gonna upload them. We should upload them today. You ready? I'm just gonna put it on the
Yeah, I just doing a show.
Hey, Dan, you want to get my
I'm
bag?
not getting dressed for anybody. Yo, don't steal the
fucking
container.
retard.
The container's too special for me.
See, not too many people bags are up in the air.
Ew, what are these? These are not these giants.
That wasn't pull it down. She's